Alright, we're here at day 2. Should be going real fast today. And my man Dave right here. Shout yourself out.
What's that?
Shout yourself out.
Dude, I don't even know.
He don't even know.
No.
The camera come around. They just. Oh no. Anyway, I'll put it below for y'all. Dave just switched to a Mustang guy. You know.
Yeah, I'll be doing Mustang.
Yeah.
You would ask me 3 years ago, I'd shout myself out.
Hide your crowds. But Millen Styles about to run. Yesterday, I think the best we went was 720 something on 730. So see what we can pick up today. Track's a little hotter, which means it's not gonna go as faster right now due to the weather change. So let's get to racing. Yo, 196. Dude. 196, bro. How'd that feel? 467. 467.
What was the 60?
This one, 467 in the age.
Track wasn't as tight. Temperature definitely affected the track.
My bad. You wait, Eric. All right, we got Steve up making a test hit. Big boy burnout. He said that's the only way. Yeah, so Steve is just doing a test hit, so I don't expect nothing crazy. Y'all, so fortunately Steve he blew a rod out the block, maybe, I don't know, but we know it's a rod so far, so that car is down and out for the weekend. Alright, so we got filling up for probably gonna be the last pass of the night because the track has been oiled down and so much, so whatever, but turn the car up a little bit more again. I think it's 20 pounds this go around. Got Will back there as well. We get his view as well. But yeah. Go on, get your time. Alright, but yeah, we got filling up, so let's go get some runs. Let's go, Dave. We got Will up. He might take the record on this pass. He might do it. Might do it. All right, here we go. He got it. That is officially the new Viper record.
Lights or something.
Didn't stage.
He didn't stage at
Timed
all?
out. Yep.
Oh, he timed out. Okay. Oh, it's still running. Here we go. Will Dugas.
Keeps the front end down this time. A little bit on the brakes. Top of the racetrack there for Dugas.
Hey, 689 improves on that 696 from.
All right, y'all. So Will just took Sal's Viper that stood for 9 years. They both, are cordial. So I'm not even gonna say cordial. They're both friends. So Sal congratulated him, let him know congrats. Congrats to Will and Aaron at the F Moto team. That's awesome to see. I kind of knew it was gonna happen because yesterday, they was going for kills. So Miller ran another personal best, I want to say, and the car was actually breaking up. It ran 7.1 at 191, I think. So it came down a little bit on mile per hour, but he's still rolling. That might be the last pass. So if I don't have an outro, this is going to be it. I didn't do one yesterday, but it is what it is. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, day 3 of racing. We're going to start it off with Grandis Stick Speed Super. Let out. Yeah. Pro speed. All right, let's see what he got, but we got Miller now. All right, here we go. Here we go. 7.
.304.
304?
458.
Oh my God.
On fucking 9
That was it too. That was it.
You went at 458. You're on 9 cylinders.
All right, so just pulled the plug wires off, and that one's burnt. So he just ran a 7.0. 7.0 and one down cylinder. So let's go get this 9, man. I mean, I said this 9. That's disrespectful. Let's go get this 6. So, crazy event. Still running. Fucking 7.0, 9 cylinders. All right, y'all, we back up. Well, 10 cylinders is going on. 6-second pass coming up. I'm calling it. I am calling it. Yes! Yes! 202. Wow! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo. Oh my God.
Lights are now. There he goes. How about open 3 The Viper goes.
Hell yeah. Sal, talk to me.
That's my boy.
6 nights.
That apple fell right under that.
6 9. 202.
That's a soft tune-up.
It was. It was. That boy smiling. Yo. Hell yeah.
Oh my God. That is so awesome. Proud father right there. It's crazy. And a wheelie.
It did. Yeah, it did.
I'm sure you do a wheelie too after so many straight level passes just over and over and over. Yeah.
Did well.
Holy cow.
Here.
No words.
Proud uncle. Proud uncle. Proud uncle's over here. Everybody proud. Everybody's proud, man.
So awesome.
Sorry, Sal, you're done, buddy. You keep your Mustang. He's like, Dad, you keep beating on the keyboard. Let me go. That was the whole plan from the beginning, remember? Last year, that's
God.
in between exams, taking exams.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Thursday, Friday, 2 exams. Dylan, you've been so calm and collected the whole week.
Making you look good.
You didn't say it either. I asked that. I was like, did you guys want to run that 6?
Yeah.
Mike,
To be honest, I think that's the perfect way to end this video off. Hail Mary Derby. And that's what we did. Hail Mary. 6 and 9. The last pass was on 9 cylinders. So I knew with 10 that it'll go 6. So this probably be my best videos over the weekend yet. So if I get content like this all the time, well, we'd be on top. But as always, like, comment, subscribe. Peace. So right now I can't end the video right now. I gotta show y'all what's about to go. So about to get some pics with the 2 Vipers. Between the 2 cars, it's over 6,000 horsepower. They both came out ran 6s. So I mean, it's pretty fucking badass, man. You cannot beat this. Good sportsmanship between the 2 camps. Like that, the weekend is officially over. Now I'm ending the video off with this.
Patel inching into the full stage lights. Lights are now, and there he goes. How about an 053 reaction time? 119 on the
Go.
Forsberg goes
Yeah! Look at the exaltation on the line.
miles an hour.
Look at that. Wow. And, you know, he did it both. He got into the 6s and blew past 200. Everything the racer could want. Look at the crew. Look at all their friends and fellow racers. Oh, man, that is the stuff dreams are made of right there.
That's what this entire weekend is.